Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to register for InvoiceNow and get your business ready for seamless e-invoicing in Singapore. InvoiceNow is Singapore's official e-invoicing network. It helps businesses send and receive invoices digitally, reducing manual work and improving accuracy. If your business is GST registered or planning to register, InvoiceNow will soon be a requirement. Early adoption is encouraged. Let's go through the key steps to register and activate InvoiceNow for your business. Step 1. Check your accounting system. Is it InvoiceNow ready? Yes, Axis is ready as your IRSP. Axis Consulting is an IMDA-accredited IRSP, which means your SAP Business One system is already equipped to support InvoiceNow registration and transmission. Step 2. Choose a PEP-POL access point provider. Step 2 is already taken care of. Axis has partnered with Sesame, a trusted and IMDA-accredited PEP-POL access point provider. That means you don't need to worry about selecting one yourself. Your InvoiceNow connection is already secured and compliant. Step 3. Activate InvoiceNow feature. Let's dive into the video demonstration on how to activate InvoiceNow add-on in SAP Business One. First, log into SAP Business One as administrator user. Navigate to Administration module, Add-ons, Add-on Manager, click the add-on and press Start. Wait until the add-on is successfully connected. Next step, navigate to PEP-POL Configuration Object and select PEP-POL Registration. In this screen, you will need to fill up the necessary information to connect to PEP-POL network such as PEP-POL code, PEP-POL name, category, business registration number, user, partner type. Also update information such as address, contact details, and credit card details. Once updated, the Solutions backend program will then connect to Sesame API to submit a registration request. Once sent, Sesame API will respond with the assigned customer and supplier registration ID. After the successful registration to PEP-POL network, you can proceed to connect to the IRIS server by pressing the Activate button. Upon confirmation, a system message will indicate that activation is in progress. Wait until a success notification appears, after which the IRIS active status and process activation fields will display yes. We have just successfully activated and registered our InvoiceNow add-on. For the last step, we will authorize our access point to transmit invoice data via Corp Pass activation. A Corp Pass URL will be available in the add-on logs. This URL will be used to log in and activate via Corp Pass account. Congratulations! You have completed the onboarding of your InvoiceNow add-on to the IRIS network. You may now be able to send your invoices after completing the necessary preparations of your customers and vendors. You may request for a user guide for more information. Thank you and have a good day.